Hey guys, me and Alex are back with another episode of WTF.
Roll it!
Now, Alex usually likes to start the next paragraph, but you didn't win last time, so let me start. Now, if you didn't watch last week's video, I won. If you haven't watched our previous episodes, make sure you catch the playlist in the link above. Yeah. It's been a fun series so far.
It was a runaway episode last week, wasn't it?
I'm excited to look in this week's box.
Kate has told you she's won, but she hasn't told you what the current score is. It's still 4.5
to
2.5. So I'm still in the lead, and we've got 3 more episodes to go.
Yeah, 3 episodes.
3 challenges to go.
This.
So what the fudge is in this box this week?
What?
Oh no, we're going to be taking prisoners. I'm going to have to gaff you up.
What on earth? And there's some other things there. Hello, Kate and Alex. Before we get started, a massive well done to Kate for the victory last episode. Who knew it'd be so hard to not lick your lips? I know. Did you try it, guys?
Inside the box, you will find 5 envelopes labelled 1 to 5. Enclosed in each envelope is a task which you must complete. Ah, that's easy. It's not. If you delve further into the box, you will find a roll of tape.
Yeah, duct tape.
This week we'll be testing your handiwork by putting you through the no thumbs challenge. What on earth?
I thought it was going to be on our mouth.
Yeah, that would be helpful.
The one and only rule for this challenge is that you must complete the task without your thumb. So get taping.
Is it one thumb or both thumbs or what?
Surely both. Whoever completes the task the quickest will win a point. And as usual, most points win. Good luck, guys. The WTF team. We'll feel like cats for the day. Animals. Cats aren't the only ones just to have.
Should we get gaffing? Will you even be able to open the numbers? Yeah. So we've got our thumbs wrapped. It's pretty weird feeling.
Got my paws.
Right, number 1. Open this. Fully peel this orange.
I was going to say, are we going to tie it? Oh my word. I've just got new nails as well, so it's really hard to...
3, 2, 1.
Go. You literally only... I'm literally digging right into this. Oh my word. Oh dear. Could you not have bought the easy peeler? Does it have to be whole?
It's not a full orange anymore, but what about that? What do you reckon?
Fine.
1-0.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Open this packet of crisps and eat one.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I've never seen you put that face before.
We've gone back and we've reviewed the footage. And,
we actually have, yeah.
We can't tell between the two who...
So are we going to leave that as 0 or are we going to give it 1-1? So then you'll have 2.5.
2-1, yeah, might as well.
2-1.
Here we go. Next one. But in the comments down below, let us know if you think one of us got it in first.
That could be a big game changer.
Unpack the cucumber and chop it into 4.
Oh my word. Oh
I don't know
my
how
word.
to use a knife.
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Can we use our mouse? Why did I tell you? Oh!
What? How did you get it out? What? What?
Oh no! Is that where you tried to bite?
Yeah.
Ah, see, as soon as I said, can I use my mouth to take it off, I was like, why did I say that to you? But you went for the middle. You've got to go for this here.
Oh, really?
Get your teeth in that. Have you ever done that before?
No.
You eat cucumber all the time.
Yeah, but
it smells so nice, doesn't it? Woo! Number 4. Open this bottle of water and take a sip.
Water?
No! Ooh, the smart water. Oh, it's not. Oh, it is smart water.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh no! What a rookie! Oh my word! Even in my eyebrow. I got nowhere.
It's the fingers.
You didn't mind getting that everywhere.
It was the only way to win.
Oh, I was trying. I bet it. I like forgot I had no thumbs. I picked up.
It's so everywhere.
Because I was thinking, oh, through the legs here.
Yeah.
That's really good, but I
That's
dropped
a good idea,
it.
yeah. I went under the arm. And then I realised from here I couldn't get it back, so I had to put my finger in it.
That's what's making me laugh. The under the arm. And the claw. That was funny. Oh, that was hard.
That is hard.
Right, well done.
Number 5.
Number 5. I have to get this in order to still...
Stay in the game. Oh yeah, because if I win this episode, I win the whole thing.
Make this jam sandwich and slice it in half.
This last one is an epic.
Yeah.
It's of epic proportion.
So we have our bread, our jam, our butter.
Yeah.
We have to make it.
This one's
and
like a
cut it.
marathon. The others were like one thing and done, but we've got to open this, we've got to open this, we've got to butter it, we've got to jam it.
Yeah.
3,
2,
2, 1.
How are you in that? How are you in that? How are you in that? That is a joke. I said about preserving the bag, but the top's fine.
I'm going to put 2 bits of butter on just because.
Oh my word. How many sandwiches have you made in your life? Oh my word! At least mine's quite pretty.
What, did you come back there? Did you win
I
that?
came back. Did I win that?
I think I might want.
Look at your sandwich.
Here's mine.
Here's mine. I almost did it in quarters.
Yeah, but I went back and put more butter on.
That was your own problem.
Yeah, no, I shouldn't have.
So did I do
Oh, I
it?
feel so annoyed now. Why did I go back and put more butter on?
That now makes it really good, doesn't it?
So,
5-3.
well done. Today's episode was a draw, 3-all, which means we both get half a point.
So I'm on 3.
And I'm on 5 points overall.
We've got 2 episodes left.
Right.
Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed it.
I really enjoyed that. I thought that was a really good challenge.
I thought it was good.
Thank you, Matt and Holly. I hope you enjoyed it too. Why don't you give this one a try as well? We'll see you all very soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.